find your permanent TSB bank sort code. TSB Bank is a UK-based retail bank offering a range of personal banking services, including savings accounts, loans, mortgages, and credit cards. Need to find your permanent TSB bank sort code? Whether you're setting up payments or verifying account details, we've got you covered with these simple steps. Start by looking at your TSB bank card. The sort code is usually printed on the front or back of your card. Next, check your most recent bank statement. Your sort code will be listed along with your account number. TSB is known for its commitment to transparency and providing financial products suited to the needs of its customers. It is part of the larger Banco Sabadell Group but operates independently with a strong presence in the UK. If you can't get benefit by those steps, visit their website tsbbank.com. Or you can contact TSB Bank customer service for general inquiries in the UK is 0345975878. If you're calling from abroad, you can reach them at 442-0328 for 1578. Thanks for watching.